We are leaving St. Augustine.
Your favorite two people on the channel. We don't know if we're gonna make it.
This is our friend. We found him all the way in Family Beach. Oh, so we're gonna wait it out? We're not going under?
Okay, good.
Oh, well then. Anchoring here. Pretty nice area. Come back. Oh, there it is. Our anchor's somewhere down there. What?
I'm on the switch, guys.
Yeah.
Once again.
Boom. Dubs on dubs. What? You gotta record.
Petey's driving.
What?
He wants to look cool. So he's driving.
No.
Oh yeah, Daniel.
He's driving. This is a scary moment. Look at his head. Oh my.
What's up, Sheldon? GoPro, stop recording. We were here. Pennsylvania. We moved to here. South Carolina. We passed through Georgia. And now we are in Florida. Soon, we're gonna be here.
Storms are coming. Started to rain. My jacket smells like food.
We're in the storm. We're on the mooring boat now.
We have to go and check out under this bridge to see if we can anchor there because it's crazy out here right now. Got some actual waves. It is so cold too. Looks like a boat sank over there. So I think the plan is that we're gonna anchor around this area and get out of where we are right now because it's super crazy where we are right now. Going back into the waves.
Yeah, this is way crazy compared to
Yeah, definitely. We are moving.
It's gonna be.
I seriously just finished making you food. We're going to Disney. We're gonna get a car rental.
Dang, I'm surprised.
That palm tree. Repeating Willer skateboarding. Thumb this video up. A new car. Well, rental car.
I like the car.
We're in Disney World. How do you feel?
Amazing.
I like that too.
Good.
You look pretty good in that boat.
Splash Mountain, we just met up with the boys.
You ready?
Yeah, fast pass life. You know how.
Hype is real, boys. I swear if I drop this camera, I'm quitting YouTube.
Well, it's a guava, but
The hill is
bro, that's the hill.
Word. I think I'll be good. I think I'll be good.
Bro, we're already soaked. We haven't even got to the hill.
with that hill, the last one is next level.
Yeah.
Once I Nolan went on it when he was young and he like flew out of the sea.
Ew, what the?
How do you do? How do you play some reading? How do you do? Say it when you're reading. How do you do?
Why is everything peeing? No hard feelings. Oh yeah. Let's go!
Bro, you better put it down.
That was awesome. Let's go.
Not bad.
One little.
I got more
Like,
wet when it shot me.
That's the end of the ride, everyone.
Oh, I hate her.
We're going on. What's this ride called?
Chungus Mountain Railroad.
What?
Now
Big
this.
Thunder Mountain.
Yes.
It's Disney. It's Disney, let boy.
We're almost there.
Yeah, boys.
Man, they did us dirty. Put us at 12. You know, what the heck is wrong with me?
We just got back from the most magical place on earth, and we are now anchored in Titusville for the night. A fun fact about how this city got its name is because of two people named Colonel Titus and Captain Rice were playing a game of dominos, and Titus won, so therefore the city is named Titusville. I wonder how Captain Rice took the L. Go for it.
Oh, hey, what's going on, Rice?
Nothing much, Titus.
You know what, Rice?
This city needs a name.
Yes, but how will we name the city?
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes, indeed, Sir Titus.